loves, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys my favorite and the best and must-have from Tarte brand. So this is a haul that I made from their annual sale, and if you've been watching in my channel for quite a long time now, you probably know that Tarte is one of my favorite brands. I like Tarte and I always recommend them to my clients who preferred more natural. So Tarte is one of those brands that are cruelty-free. They use more natural ingredients. So let's get started. So let's start with my must-have or my faves. First is this powder foundation. So this is the Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. This is my favorite loose powder foundation. This is in the shade Light Sand. So what I like about this one, it has sunscreen and it also is full coverage. So a little bit goes a long way. This is my go-to foundation if I'm in a hurry, and it just gives me a nice airbrush look in just a minute. Next is a highlighter. A lot of people are asking what's my favorite highlighter. Then you're looking at it now. So this is my favorite highlighter. I use it for myself and for my clients. If you've seen my clients with popping highlighter, this is for sure the one that I've been using. So I have two favorite highlighters, this one and the one from Anastasia. It's the Glow Kit, but this comes as my number one. So this one is called Skin Twinkle Volume 2, and it looks like this. So it has from the very light shade to a little bit more darker for more deeper skin tone or for more medium to tan skin. What I like about this one is it's very pigmented, it's creamy, it smells good, and most of all, it gives you a nice glow. It's just effortless. Just one swipe and you can see that beaming glow in your skin. And next is this under eye corrector. So the shade that I got is light to medium. They only have two shades. It looks like this one. So it works as 2-in-1, as a color corrector under your eyes and a concealer as well. It's very lightweight. I highly recommend this for clients who are looking for just one product that they can use for every day, just to cover dark circles and give them a nice awake look. Next is a bronzer. Tarte is actually known for their amazing bronzers, and this is one of the top selling one. This is their Park Ave Princess. I got here their limited edition face and body bronzer. So it's basically the same regular Park Ave Princess, but the huge one. So I'm so excited to get this. I'm pretty sure they're still available online, but this is waterproof, so you can apply it on face and body as well, and it lasts you all day. And smells so good, and it's very creamy and blendable and just pigmented, so a little goes a long way. And of course, I got their other regular ones, so I have the smaller ones here. So this one here is the Park Ave Princess. So this is their original in a small size, so it has a bit of like sheen to it, whereas the other one is the matte. This is the matte version. And they are perfect for more light to medium skin tone. And then next is the first time I'm going to try, but I've heard great things about, is their cream bronzers. So I think they have three colors, and I got the Seychelles. So it looks like this. This is the box, guys. And then it's like that. I'm excited to try it. I've heard great things about it, and they said they are so creamy and blendable, and it's good for like to medium skin tone. Okay, so right now I'm going through the ones that I haven't used but heard great things about. That's why I wanted to give them a shot. So I have here the DIY Brow Detailing Pen. I believe this is their new one. The shade I got is medium brown, so it's good for light, medium brown, and caramel hair, and it's good for detailing and creating the hair like strokes, so to fill in the spars and detailing your brows. So it comes with a spoolie, and then it's like a regular liquid eyeliner, but it's like slanted. I haven't tried this, so let's see. Okay, so it looks like that. Looks pretty good. So I'm excited about this. I'm pretty sure this is waterproof and long wearing. So this will be perfect, especially on summer, because if you go swimming, then you still have your brows unflecked. And then I got their metallic pigment. So I have two colors that I got. I have the gold one, which is always a go-to for everyone, and a purple one for fun. So this one comes with a little sponge and stencils. So that will be fun, especially for summer, I think, or if you're doing some fun parties, whether for yourself or for a kid's party. And the next is from skincare, and this is their Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. So I have oily combination skin, so this formulation is, I think, would be perfect for me. The box that you're seeing here and on my thumbnail is this huge limited edition. I think it's almost like a PR package looking, but it's a set and it's limited edition, like I said. So it comes with 6 products in here, all full size, and I got this for I think 50 or 70% off. So I'm so excited. I've been looking for this one specifically, but I think they are discontinued. So when I saw this set, I think I would use a lot of these products, or the other ones I'll give it to my mom. So I grabbed this set, and it comes with waterproof makeup removing gel cleanser, and then a collagen serum. So this one will be perfect for my mom. Like I said, their products are clean, or they're one of the clean beauty at Sephora, uses natural ingredients. So that will be perfect for my mom because she preferred those products and brands. And then there's a lightweight gel moisturizer that will be perfect for me or maybe for her. And then a lip plumper. I haven't tried this one. But we'll see how it's comparable to the Too Faced lip injection. And then this one is the setting spray. It's a 4-in-1 mist. And then last but not least is their skincare infused primer. So I'm so excited getting this one. I'm not sure if it's still available, but I'm pretty sure it is limited edition. I was so excited getting this because it feels like I'm part of their PR list, but maybe hello Tarte, maybe you noticed me. So now the last part is the holiday kits. So right now they are still available online at Sephora and on Tarte website. So make sure to grab these ones because I can assure you they are great quality and great deals. And they are only limited edition for holidays. So first one is this eyeshadow palette. So it comes with 3 eyeshadow palettes. This one values for $270. Look at that. Well, $270 US and $351 Canadian dollars, and I got it for $64. And you get 3 different palettes. So it's perfect if you are hoarding for palettes, or you can give it as a gift. So it comes with all these colors here, very nice and neutral. Everyone would wear these colors. So highly recommend getting this one. Next is this Jelly Glaze lip set. I love jelly glaze. I love everything jelly or lip oil or lip balm, a lip mask that has tint to it, because it just gives you nice hydration, especially on the season of winter. This one is 26 Canadian dollars, and basically you're getting 2 for free for the price of that. And comes those different colors. They are very sheen. It looks like this what I'm wearing right now. So it's very nice and plumping and hydrating to your lips. Like I said, I love lip products, especially during holidays. I like to try different colors or like on smaller sizes, so I don't have to commit with like full size. And then once I figure out if I like them, I can buy the full size from there. So I have this Maracuja Juicy Lip Trail. I haven't tried them. These are the colors over here. And then this one retail for 75 Canadian dollars, and it's down to 38 Canadian dollars. So that's a really great deal. This is such a must-have. Okay, and we're down to the last but not the least. This is a skincare set. This is their Knockout Pore Refining Set. So like you guys probably know by now, I have oily, acne-prone skin. So anything that's clarifying, anything that is good for my skin type is something that I would love to try. So this one comes with tingling treatment. So I believe that's like a toner. And then it comes with a brightening gel moisturizer. That's quite small for moisturizer, but it's good to try it. And then it comes with daily exfoliating cleanser, which includes HA and BHA. So this one retails for $80 Canadian, and it is down to 51 Canadian. Plus the discount that I got for their annual sale. Okay, I was just joking. There's 3 more products here. I got 2 mist. I have one that's a setting spray. So this is in a can, so it is nice and very fine and very hydrating as well because it has maracuja. So this is the maracuja miracle mist, and it's nice because it's a continuous mist. And then I got the Gleam Beam Shimmer Spray. So it looks like that. And then when you shake it, you'll see there's like gold sparkles in there. So I'm excited to try this on summer and glow like a goddess. And then last is this Set and Go Mineral Powder. So when I saw this, I was like, I need that because it is 2-in-1. It works as a setting powder. At the same time, it's so nice and compact. You can put it in your purse and you can touch up during the day if you get oily, because that's me. And at the same time, it has sunscreen, I believe SPF 15 or 20, so you can touch up not just your makeup and keep you mattified, but also protect you from the sun. So I would really say this is a must-have. Okay guys, that's everything for this video. That's all the items that I have from the Tarte annual sale. I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful to know what products to pick from this amazing brand. This is not paid or sponsored video or whatsoever. I just love this brand and I would always share to you guys my honest opinion and what I think are highly recommended or must-haves based on my experience and the reviews that I've read. Thank you again guys for dropping by. I hope to see you next week, and again, take care and keep safe.